Oh my god, it took a while to come to a royal height. That's so sad. I'm not gonna even pay you because it took so long. What's your problem, little doggies? At least no one's caring of you. I hope no one takes care of you doggies. I'm not gonna even leave you a tip. I'm not gonna even pay you, even better. I have to go to the school. Yeah. Oh well, this looks really big. It's just bigger than my house. Like, this cannot be real. Just pretend this is my house, okay? Pretend it's it. But still, okay. I'm just gonna go in here. I practiced flying for a while, and I know I'm gonna do great in classes. I don't have to even pay for this school. My daddy does. Whatever. I already went to the school and got a tour, so I don't even care. Ew, these people are so weird. You see this designer bag from Chanel? That's what I thought, sweetie. Don't mess with me. I could only be friends with you if you have a lot of money. Maybe I could use you. I don't know. Some people don't like me, but I don't know. Okay, so you get to steal diamonds from here, and I'm so happy. Oh, breakfast is starting. Just perfect timing. Okay, move everyone. Thank you. Oh my god. I need the most expensivest meal here. It better be the last one, and I need a iced mocha. 8 diamonds. That is so cheap. Oh my god. Let's put in here. Whatever. I got my food. I'm gonna go sit by the water so it makes me feel good about myself. And I always feel good about myself because you never can mess with me. You know about that one, sweetie. Okay, I might sit over there. Oh my god, oh my god. Okay, I have to control my flying. I know I practiced for like 1 day, but I think I'm gonna be good. I cannot be seen like this. Ew. No way. No one was there, right? Alright, I'm just gonna eat my food. Oh my god, this is so royalty, just like me. I'm gonna eat it with chopsticks, so I feel extra royalty. I'm gonna eat it in like 2 bites. There we go. Come on, eat it all. Eat it all. There we go. My iced mocha. Okay, people, don't mess with me. Oh, wait, I'm going to choose my locker away from people. Oh my god, I found a secret place my daddy told me, so I'm gonna go there. Okay, so I'm gonna go here. Yes, there are some lockers here. If anybody's playing this, no? Perfect. I need my blue, because I need blue. Oh my god. Oh, it's swimming class. I don't want to go to swimming class or any like physical education things. I'm just gonna go to other classes, I guess. I'm gonna go to my dorm and just polish off and steam my outfit for tomorrow. Oh my god. If so, oh my god, what is wrong with him? Nobody saw that. Oh my god, I keep falling. This is so embarrassing. Nobody can see me like this. Oh well. Oh my god, I look so ugly. Oh, ew, don't even say hi to me. Only if you have designer stuff. As you can see, this is the designer. And this is like last season, but next, I have something new season, so nobody can find me. Ew, he's so gross. Oh my god. You know what? I'm just gonna leave and go to my dorm. These I'm never gonna share one with anybody. I am not gonna even choose a dorm. If someone moves in with me, I'm going to tackle them. But it looks like I'm seeing my dorm number. Oh my golly Jesus. I am in a dorm with a person. Oh my god. This is not real. Wait, let me just recheck it. Oh, thank goodness I was checking the dorm. Okay, nobody choose my dorm. Okay, this is going to be, let's see my closet. Okay, this is going to be my room. This is bigger than my room. Oh my god, I need everything bigger than anything. What is this? Can this be a room? This could be my closet. Yeah, my closet. I'll have another one as my room. No, that'll be good. And if someone dares to move in with me, I'll get abused. Oh, next is chemistry. You know what? I'm not gonna even go to school today. And if they kick me, I'm gonna say, do you know who I am? I am Lila. The one and only. Oh well, I'm just gonna go and choose my next outfit for tomorrow. So I have to look glam, obviously. Okay, so what should I choose? I'm gonna take off everything. I'll come back when I'm choosing everything. And don't even look at me change. You're so disgusting if you think you can look at me while I'm changing. You ready to see my outfit? I think you am. 3, 2, 1. Pose. Oh my god, as you can see, my outfit is beautiful. It's better than yours. As you can see, the Chanel on the top is beautiful, unlike yours we're wearing right now. It's really ugly. But this is the best one you will ever find me wearing. Actually, everything looks bad. Good on me. Why did I say bad? Oh my god. Just getting so much hate. I meant so much good. I think no one moved in with me. If they dare, I'll kill them. Well, I better go get a frap to cool me down from everything I've been through. Today was so stressful, like really stressful. You can't imagine me getting stressed. Okay, I need the most expensive food and expensive drink. Excuse me, if the cafe is closed, I'm going to tell my daddy that you've been extremely rude to me. And if it's closed, I'm going to sue you. Anyways, so let's move. Okay. How much is this? No, it's not expensive. How much is this? Everything is 6. Cheap. So cheap. Okay, I'll just get the chocolate covered marshmallow. Expensive part. Okay, let's see. How much is this? The fraps are all 12. I'm just gonna go choose one mocha frap. Okay, oh, got my chocolate covered marshmallow. This tastes amazing. I'm gonna eat it like so much. Yum yum yum, all together. Some people call me too a little bit. I eat too much, but you can't call me that, okay? I eat as much as I want and you don't judge me about that, okay? I need to eat as much as I can. To eat this quickly, man. Okay, eat it. Come on, I can't be seen. There we go. I'm all done eating finally. Oh my god. All right, so I'm gonna. Oh my god, why is this girl in the middle of nowhere doing nothing? Ew, her outfit is so cheap. I've seen that in the 99-cent store woman. Oh my god, whatever. And her hair is so ugly, and her makeup is so ugly. I got an F. I cannot be seen like this. I'll just go in front of her so I look like an A. No, yeah, my name. Don't you dare say hi to me. Oh no, I'm gonna go away from you. Don't you dare say hi to me. Don't you even know me? I am Lila. Oh my god, how could you not know me? Oh my god, this girl is so weird. Oh my god, ew. Oh my god, if someone's close to my locker, I'm going to sue them. Okay, so let's see if someone's at my locker. If they are in my locker, I'm just gonna go move to somewhere else. They went out here. Let's see if there's anyone. But no one. That's what I like to see. Tomorrow I have to do this all again. Today's been so stressful choosing an outfit. I'll just go home, get ready for bed, even though it's so early, who cares? And go through the day. I'll go into my dorm and change in my really small closet. I don't like the color of it. At least it could be pink. Like, come on. I have to go into my back closet. Okay, so I'm gonna choose my outfit for the night. Okay, so what should I choose? Will you take off all my accessories for the night? I don't know. Alright, so I need to choose my pajamas. This is like almost Easter, I guess. I could just put like Easter pajamas, I guess. Let's see if there's new pajamas for me to wear. No, okay. Let's just choose it from here. Oh, this is really cute. Let's go about this. Ew. This is beautiful. What about this? Ew, I would be seen like this. Okay, so I chose my outfit and it looks really cute. If you don't think it's cute, then get out of my life. Okay, so I'm gonna do my hair into a cute little bun. So my hair will be nice and curly tomorrow, and yeah. Now, actually I might use this. Ooh, this is I should do that. And what should I dye my hair to do tomorrow? That should be really cute. What should I? Oh my god, I have to think. Okay. I'll just do a really light brown. That's pretty. My face should be like in a sleeping mode, and I can't do anything. I just have to do sleep, and I'm gonna do a sad face when I sleep because I love that about me. If you don't think that's bad, then shut up. All my life. Now I'm gonna go to the spa to get my bunny slippers, even though I have these. So wait, I forgot. Those are not designer. I have my designers and things in my suitcase. I have to wear my designer ones. Those are not designers. And if you show me something without designer or anything, I'm not gonna even look at it. So what should I do? I should do purple as your match, and then color do white. Good. As you can see, it's perfect. If you don't think it's perfect, then yeah, alright. Okay, this is my slipper should be a little bit darker. 1 degree, I'll seal you, but yeah. Oh, these are so pretty. Okay, time to go to sleep. This is like so early, but who cares? I have to sleep. Oh well. Good night, everybody. I hope you don't have a great day. Bye, and if you look prettier than me. Anyways, good night. When you think about going close to me if you don't have designer in, don't even. Just don't. Okay, well, good night. Guys, just remember this is just a roleplay. Don't take this really seriously. I will never call someone ugly or something like that. Thank you guys so much for watching. I hope this enjoyed your day. Just remember this is just a roleplay. Don't take this so seriously. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I hope you enjoyed. Bye bye for now, and remember to subscribe and like if you like this video. If you don't, just do it, I guess. Thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed. Bye.